Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Southaven RV and Marine right here in Southaven, Mississippi. And if you're looking for an Airstream, this is going to be the dealership because there's not many scattered across the U.S., but this is one of the big Airstream dealerships right here in the state of Mississippi. Now today we're going to look at a 2026 Airstream International, model number 23FB. So let's get started. The length on this Airstream International is 23 feet. The hitch weight is 500 pounds. The dry weight is 5,100 with a GVWR of 6,000 pounds. Really awesome for a half-ton truck.
It is. So if you don't want to buy a bigger truck, and you want something that's going to be nice and compact, of course now Airstream doesn't have a slide, so easy setup. Can't ask for it much easier. Just back it in and you're there. Let's start up here. We got some storage right there.
Tankless water heater.
Yes, it is. This is going to give you a 14-foot awning here on your campsite. Coming up here on the front.
You kind of have to watch the music as we're in here. They've kind of got a little song playing in the background.
Yeah, we're trying to talk loud, so maybe we won't get dinged for copyright on this. But
there's your propane.
I love that it's nice and enclosed like that.
I can't really get to that one, but there is some storage.
Yes, and then of course there's another. Your batteries are going to go down here. You're going to have another small awning. This is it's going to be the same length, 14 feet, but it's not quite as long as the one on the front. Got a little more storage right here on the side. You're going to plug in right there. You see this is a dual axle. Love the little windows in this. They're just
love the Airstream.
Yes. Your dump area is going to be right here, close to the back. And then you have another little awning. Okay, I don't know what this one is. I am going to guess at 4.5, maybe 5 feet wide. And then you have storage in the bumper.
You could probably put your stinky slinky in there, couldn't you?
You probably could.
Yeah.
Yeah. And like you said, this is the International series. So just absolutely
love these.
Adorable. So let's go right inside and let's take a look.
Yep, get out of the music out here.
Yes. So hopefully, like I said, hopefully we won't get dinged for that.
And a big old thanks to Southaven RV and Marine.
Yes, so not only if you want to find some awesome campers, but hey, if you're in the market for a boat, they can hook you up with that too. All right, now, being your traditional Airstream, you're going to have these great sliding storage up here. I love that they do give you a plug-in up there. You got some connections.
Is this, yeah, USB.
Yeah.
And then
of course it goes all
there's your other side.
And it's a translucent material and it's backlit up in there, so that helps with your lighting. Some really great windows right here. This is actually going to be on your campsite. And then you've got this nice big U-shaped dinette. This will make additional sleeping if you need it to.
Yeah, because I think in the book or in the website, this will sleep 4.
Yeah. So, and then of course it's kind of open under there, so if you need to slide your shoes in there, you can.
We'll start here and go down.
Now, you know, the traditional Airstream with no slides, so it may kind of feel a little tight, but it's really not. They utilize their space so well. You've got this awesome hanging closet here, and there is a light in here. We just didn't flip the button on it.
Oh.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then moving right along.
I think that's anything.
You have got your 12-volt fridge here, and then it's going to have a freezer at the bottom, and then your fuses are going to be right below it. And now there's a little storage up here. It's not very deep, so I'm not real sure exactly what you would put up there. Hey, your little Debbie snack cakes would fit up there.
Yes, they would.
Perfectly. AC unit's going to be right up there above his head.
This isn't a, is this electric only or is this gas? No, it's just electric.
I was
Excuse
about to
me.
say, I think it's
Yeah,
just electric.
Just electric.
Another one of these really great overhead storage areas up here. Yes, you're going to get a 3-burner cooktop and a convection microwave, and then there is some storage beneath that microwave. And your heating is going to be here in your cabinetry. The other side of your stove there.
It's kind of the first time we've seen an Airstream in a little while.
We haven't seen one in probably a year or so. So you have this great cutlery drawer. They give you a little garbage can over there.
Heating is in the cabinets. Cool.
Now this is a solid surface countertop. So you have a good sized sink, really nice faucet area. You have this pull out pantry bin area. And then this is a nice deep storage right there.
And a big fan.
And a big fan, yeah, right up there. Love that these backsplashes on this are stainless. That is just...
You want to go up front or go back here?
Let's just go ahead and go back there.
Okay.
Now as you come in, there's going to be some hooks right there and a nice little dry erase board. All right. Yeah. Show you around in here. Okay. Now.
Hi ho, neighbor.
All right, we've got to be honest. Shower's gonna be a little tight in here. So if you are more than 6 feet tall, you may have to scooch down a little bit.
You may have to have a seat.
Yeah, there's a little edge in there, so yeah. But I mean, hey, it is a self-contained dry bath, so with a little drying rack there.
I like it.
I don't know what the dimensions are, but you know how big Jeremy is, and so that's how he fits.
Yep.
I love that they give you this swing out mirror.
I love
here.
that. That is so cool.
You do have a window back here that is just like that. As you can see, we are inside their building. Not solid surface in here, but they give you a nice size sink. And let me come out here. You have some really good storage underneath the sink. You see you've got some extra storage over here. I believe that is actually a porcelain foot flush toilet.
And you've got a little bit of back in there.
Yeah, so you got some sliding right there. Now, if you guys have any issues with tank odors or what you need to clean your bathroom with, definitely check out Liquefied. They have some wonderful products that will take care of that for you. We've got a link to their website down in our description, and we have got a 15% coupon code.
Exactly.
So definitely take advantage of that. Got some controls over here. Alright, and they actually give you a towel rack right there on the door. I love that this reminds me of like our cruise when we go on the cruises.
Yeah.
So, which we're going on pretty soon.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Everybody go with us.
Yeah, everybody just sign up. Disney Wish. Let's go. I wish I was on the Disney Wish. Anyway, coming right up here, you're going to have an option on this particular floor plan. You can get it in the twin configuration, which is this one, or you can get it with a Camp Queen. So it's just kind of whatever your preference is. Personally, I love this twin setup because it gives you some great floor space in here so that you can get ready. Yes, there is storage on both sides of this, and there's a third one right here. And yeah, it's going to be the same under both sides. They're going to have this storage like this. So, you don't have to worry about where you're going to put your stuff. It'll go right under the bed, and like I said, it's also on the other side too. You do have a nightstand right in the middle. Plug in, so if you want to add a lamp. This front window here will open, so if you like to camp and have your breeze blowing in, you can do that. Right up above is going to be another one of those great sliding storage areas. As you can see, they've got a pillow stuck up in there, so hey, you can put all kinds of neat stuff up there. You do have another big fan.
Love it.
And let me come on in here and turn around. I love these windows, the curved windows. They're going to give you, this looks like a 20.
It is a 24.
Yeah, 24-inch TV. You're going to have some hanging area right up here.
There we go.
And then you have a little storage cubby right under it.
Wow.
Yeah,
Love
so
it.
super, super, super cute.
Oh, there's your radio. It was hiding behind the little cover there.
Well, I think that's new. I don't think that was in the last ones that we've looked at.
All right, everybody, if you like this Airstream, come up to Southaven RV, big dealership for Airstreams. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. And that's right, 15% off, coupon code, and link down in this description of this video. All right, everybody, give us that thumbs up. Thanks for watching.